We could press reset, move on and forget.
Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So, we are in a Bmw E46, and we have that light. And what that light actually means is, that is a brake pad wear sensor. So, when your pads get worn down, there is a little piece of, well, a little sensor in it that gets worn through. And, well, it tells you need a brake pad when they're getting low. Or it could just be that the sensor itself is fucked up. But anyway, say that you've got that light on and you have replaced your brake pads and it's not gone off, you'll have to reset it. And the way to reset it is, on this car at least, is turn the car off and then you just turn it on like that. Don't start the engine and you wait like about 30 seconds, something like that. Yes. And that is all there is to it. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit, and I'll see you next time.